to try to look your God. You have to try to meet your God. You have to disturbing him every time. You are not supposed to relax.
Okay.
That is why Jesus said to his disciple that you have to pray every day, every time. Don't relax.
Don't be discouraged. Continue.
You have to try. You have to disturbing your God
all the time.
All the time, because when you relax, the situation will never go.
Okay. Yes.
The situation cannot remove. You cannot be okay.
I'm beginning to feel that.
Are we together?
Yes.
You know my English is not good, but I will try.
Okay,
thank you. I'm speaking English because of his power.
I see that.
Now, this window woman, she met a judge.
Yes.
Judge refused to handling her problem.
He refused to handle her problem.
He refused to handle her problem.
Yes.
He chased her away out of my compound.
Yes.
The widow woman.
Yeah.
She said she himself.
In herself.
She said, what can I do? Where can I go?
Yes.
Because we have one judge in the city or in the town. We don't have another one.
We don't have another judge.
Now, who will help me?
Yes, who is going to help me?
No. I have to meet him again. If he will kill me, let him to kill me. If he will put me in the jail or prison, let him to put me in the jail. Because there is no one who can help me. Only this one.
She became determined.
She went again. She went back again.
Yes.
And she met him. Please, my judge, my Lord, help me.
Yes, help me.
My enemy.
My opponent.
My opponent. Stole my things.
Yes, stole my things.
Stole my things. You have to correct me, please.
Yes.
You know I don't know English. Now, she went back to the judge. Please, my Lord, I don't have another one who can help me.
I'm not going anywhere else.
Only you.
I hear you, man of God.
Judges, he refused again. Out of my compound.
Yes.
She went back at her home.
Yes.
And she said again, where can I go?
For help.
For help.